Everyone, this is Kibo Vlog, si Filipino actor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Again, ko another reaction video on Kapit compilation. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. What is this? Ay! Ay! Okay! Hinala na? Oh my god, she's really pretty!
Sinong artistang mahilig sa pula? Si James Reid. Sinong artistang mahilig magbasa? Sino? Si James Reid.
Okay. Ay, James. Ganun ba talaga dapat niya? Okay. Alam, marami palang ayuda. Kapit never disappoint. Kapit never disappoint. Okay. Oh my god, who's this? Hindi pa. Ginagamit, oh my god. Bakit parang kasalan na? Bakit parang kasalan na? Hala, bagay talaga sila, in fairness. Ay, ano to? Bago to ah. May tapad Capri Chips. Ah, okay. Okay. Ay, top word, of course. Hala, nabutin mo ng cupcake? Bakit naman? Number 2 lang yung cupcake? Ah, cupcakes! Dalawang girl. Okay, GL naman pala. GL palang atake. Si Carmel. Oh, Chinito. Okay, anyways. Wait, what is this? Maghanap tayo ng mga bago. May bago eh. Wait lang. Heath Journales. Tingnan natin. Marami dito eh bago. Heath Journales. Pag individual ang tinatype, marami talaga. Oh my God, wait, what is this?
Isang birthday celebration ang inihanda ng fans
Ay,
ni
wow.
You're My Favorite Song lead actor Heath Jornales.
Wow!
Game na nakipag-bonding si Heath sa kanyang supporters.
Thank you po sa lahat ng support na binibigay niyo po sa akin. Kahit ano po, makulit-kulit po ako, mahiyain, sinusupport niyo pa rin po ako. So I'm really thankful na you guys are still there.
Kahit makulit-kulit ako, hiyain, kumapit ang gasya. Sinilati ko sila ni Anthony. Ay? Okay. Gwapo, oh. Gwapo ni Hit. Kagabi lang ata to eh. Gwapo naman ni Hit. Lo. Kay kap-kap lahat yan.
Pupunta ka Hong Kong, Ben. Makakalabas ka na.
Sana all.
Yes! May natak na ang passport mo. Yes! Siyaw, hit, siyaw!
Oh, never pa siya nakapag-abroad.
Abangan na rin po ako sa Hari ng Tondo, guys.
Ay, ano na tundog. Wow, andyan din siya.
Guys,
Dami project, ah.
July 19 po, guys.
Sana all.
Abangan niyo po yun. Ang December po. Let's go!
Wow. Congrats, Moy.
Thank you po sa lahat ng support na at effort na binibigay niyo po sa akin na kahit meron kayong sariling problems of your own, you guys still parang are there to support me. And that really means a lot to me and I really appreciate it, guys. And I love you guys so much. At lahat po ng blessings na nandito ngayon, para rin po kayo dun, guys. So I love you guys so much.
Anyways, this is for today's video from Cap Heat. This is Kibo Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Bye.